Now we'll discuss how atomic size vary in period and group. Same examples we have taken here. Here sodium, magnesium, aluminum, all these will element will have same number of orbits, T orbits here. But here in sodium can donate the electron more easily than that of the magnesium due to the difference in the nuclear force. I mean, in magnesium, due to increase of one electron than that of the sodium, the nuclear force in magnesium will be stronger than that of the sodium. So the loosely packed electron from the outermost orbit of sodium can be taken out easily than that of the magnet. So sodium is more sodium atomic size of sodium is more than that of the magnesium, because in magnesium the nuclear force is more than that of the sodium due to increase of one electron. Again in aluminum one increase than that of the magnesium. So nuclear force of the aluminum will be stronger than the magnesium, so size of the aluminum atom will be again little bit less than that of the magnesium. So in any period we have seen due to the effect of nuclear force, the atomic size of any elements decreases from left to right in the periodic table and increasing atomic number. On the other hand, in group we have seen in sodium will have 3 orbit, potassium will have 4 orbit. Due to increase of number of orbits, there will be difference of the nuclear force. In potassium, nuclear force here potassium will easily will donate the electron loosely packed one electron easily than that of the sodium, because due to the increase of number of orbits the nuclear force decreases, so it will be easy to take out the loosely packed electron from potassium than that of the sodium. So potassium is more metallic, size of the potassium is more than the size of the sodium. So in any group we have seen atomic size increases from top to bottom.